In this video, we're going to be solving this word problem. The word problem says, a company charges a monthly rate of $12.95 and a per call rate of $0.25 per minute. The bill for M minutes is $21.20. And what they want us to do is write an equation that's going to model this situation, okay? What's happening in the word problem. Okay, so what we need to do is figure out all the separate charges that we need to add together that's going to give us our total, okay? We're given a total. Okay, so let's write down the pieces we have and we're going to slowly build our equation, okay? So the first thing we know is we know our total. We know it's 2120. When we write an equation that is modeling a situation that involves money, we don't put the dollar signs into our equation, okay? We're just going to write the number values. Okay, so we know our total is going to equal 21.20. So we've written that down. What items added together are going to equal our answer? Well, we know every month there's a flat fee of $12.95, right? So we need to add that to whatever this per minute rate is to get our final answer, right? Now, we know this $12.95 is not going to change. It's a flat rate. It stays the same every month. So we can just write it down. We know we're going to have to add it to our other element, right? This is not enough. $12.95 does not equal $21.20. But we also know it's not going to be changed, right? So there's not going to be any variable that it needs to multiply with. It stays the same. Now, we know we need to add this to our final part. This final part, this is the tricky part. This is going to involve our variable m. We've got our flat rate. Now we need to somehow figure out our m minutes and our rate per minute. Okay? So how do we combine those? Like, how are we going to get them together? We know it's $0.25 per minute. And we know we have this m number of minutes. Okay? We need to multiply our per minute rate by our number of minutes. In this case, we don't have a number. We just have a variable representing our minutes. We have m. Okay? So we're going to multiply 0.25 by our number of minutes, or in this case, the variable representing our number of minutes, which is m, okay? If we multiply our rate by our number of minutes, this is going to give us how much we spent on minutes, okay? The extra cost we spent on minutes, all right? We're going to take that amount, we're going to add that to our flat rate per month, and those two amounts together are going to equal what the total of the bill, okay? So one more time, I'm just going to quickly go through the parts of the equation because this is our answer here. Okay, this is an equation that is modeling the situation. So let's just make sure we included everything that was in our word problem into our equation. Well, our first term here, we've got our rate per minute, our 0.25. We're multiplying that by our amount of minutes. And that is going to give us how much money we spent on the minutes. Okay, so it's going to give us a dollar value. That's what we want. We want a dollar value, right? To add it to our other dollar value to end up with an answer that's a dollar value. Okay, so that's our first term. Okay, we got that right. We need to add that to our flat rate. We took that from our word problem. Okay, we have that. And then that's going to equal our total. And we were told our total is $21.20. Okay, so we've taken care of everything that we had in our word problem to create this model. We have our rate times our number of minutes. We added that to our flat fee, and that in turn equals our sum or our total that we were given. So that's our answer. 0.25 m plus 12.95 is equal to 21.20. If you would like to learn how to quickly study for your GED exam online and get a new resume, then visit testprepskills.com.